Welcome back. When using the print function, you may need to embed the values of variables directly into a descriptive string. This is where string formatting comes in. While Python has several methods, we will focus on the modern and highly recommended approach, f-strings. 1. The f-string method. Introduced in Python 3.6, f-strings, or formatted string literals, are prefixed with the letter f. They allow you to place variable names or even full expressions directly inside curly braces within the string. 2. Formatting data types. F-strings also allow fine-grained control over how variables are displayed, especially useful for numbers. You use a colon followed by a format specifier inside the curly braces. To control the number of decimal places for a float, use a period followed by the desired precision, and then the letter F. You can easily format numbers as percentages by multiplying by 100 and using the %sign format specifier. To summarize, you may use f-strings for clear, readable, and efficient string formatting in modern Python. They simplify embedding variables and allow precise control over data representation. We have learned generating output. Now, let us turn to input. Our next lecture 0704. Input.